Very good.
Living it full effect. You gotta get it where you fit in. Survival of the fittest, that's everyday living. Add on to the table and bring something. Can't come up empty-handed with nothing. You gotta get it where you fit in. Survival of the fittest, that's everyday living. Add on to the table and bring something. Can't come up empty-handed with nothing. Hey yo, queens get the money, the bag's always there. I make it happen from out of nowhere. Moving, cruising, it flat, then got a spare tire or reverse for hire. Never retire, maybe chill, parlay, and check the scene to inquire. I'm trying to peep the fire, but right now the smoke's not too clear. Nor potent, can't see it in the air. Y'all quiet while I silently create a riot. You know I want test, nor try it. I'm flying some Basquiat and North Face attire. Aspire to be great. Noam Chopski digging from crates. Now we create until the day breaks. It's nightlife from Brooklyn to the Netherlands. Stamp on a passport, traveling, rocking polo sport. Noam rolls a spliff. He met me at the airport. I'm high on new grounds as I teleport in full zone. Lace the rhythm with poems. Y'all comb the desert and still ain't found shit. Scribble spaceball scripts, spectacular, stellar on my superstar shit. Yo. You gotta get it where you fit in. Survival of the fittest, that's everyday living. Add on to the table and bring something. Can't come up empty-handed with nothing. You gotta get it where you fit in. Survival of the fittest, that's everyday living. Add on to the table and bring something. Can't come up empty-handed with nothing. Come on. Hey yo, early bird gets the worm while night owl prowls. Never catch me on the side, that's foul. More behind lines of loyalty where lions growl. I'm focused amongst lookalike zebras in the jungle. I'm out for the win, earn that stash bundle. While most sloppy with moves and steady fumble. I grind harder once I hear my stomach grumble. By any means, protect yours, hustle or rumble. As I said, get it where it fits. In this book of life, stay on topic. Deep rooted, behind the pages of the chapter. Capture the message written between the lines. It's all clear now, sign of the time, decoded from braille. I had to read with blind eyes, the truth's been hidden. Politicians erasing what's written, who you kidding? Tampering with reality is forbidden, but it's still done, however we shall overcome. We've been marching and singing songs of freedom. Yet in the South, strange fruit, brothers getting hung. Still trying to figure out where the hate stems from. The math not mathing, calculating the adding up. I've been frustrated, when is enough enough? You know what? I still ain't giving up. You know what? You gotta get it where you fit in. Survival of the fittest, that's everyday living. Add on to the table and bring something. Can't come up empty-handed with nothing. You gotta get it where you fit in. Survival of the fittest, that's everyday living. Add on to the table and bring something. Can't come up empty-handed with nothing. You gotta get it where you fit in. Survival of the fittest, that's everyday living. Add on to the table and bring something. Can't come up empty-handed with nothing. You gotta get it where you fit in. Survival of the fittest, that's everyday living. Add on to the table and bring something. Can't come up empty-handed with nothing.